Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to delete or deactivate your YouTube channel. To delete or deactivate YouTube channel, click on the channel icon. After that, click on the switch account and select that channel that you want to delete. After selecting your channel, click on the Google account and now scroll down and find the data and privacy tab. So simply click on it. Now again scroll down, find the download or delete your data tab. Now simply click on the delete a Google service button. Now here it may be take your Gmail password. In my case he took my mobile password, so I have put that. After the verifying, it will show you another tab. Now here is the three option: download your data, YouTube and Gmail. Here you can to select the Gmail and click on the delete icon. After that, here is a two option. I wanna hide my channel and I wanna delete my permanently content. So simply click on administrative content and check off these two boxes. After that, click on the delete my content. Now here put the same email that is written at the top and put that Gmail in this box. After the putting Gmail, click on the delete my content. Now your YouTube channel is successfully deleted. For more content like this, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for never missing any update.